What's going on mga kuys? What's going on YouTube? So ngayon isa na namang unboxing video ang gagawin natin. So meron tayong isang clipper na i-unbox. Ito kakaiba to. So parang kung titingnan mo nakakatawa dahil pakita ko na. So ito, hindi to baril ya. Hindi tayo gagawa ng unboxing ng isang barrel. Hindi po to Glock 9. Alam nyo nasa Austria ako. Pero hindi Glock 9 to ya. Kasi yung Glock 9, yung Glock dito sa Austria ginagawa yun eh. So made in Austria. Glock. So, ito mga kuys, ito yung Kiepe Top Gun. Kung makita nyo, nandyan yung logo niya at saka yung model niya, Kiepe Top Gun. Pero, tapos yung cover niya is transparent. So makikita nyo, yung makina niya is magnetic motor. Ayan. So yung kulay niya is gunmetal. Ito yung kulay niya mga kuys. Ayan. So meron siyang clicking lever. Okay, so meron siyang 5 position. So first to 5 position. So this is yung pinaka-standard na click lever. Kasi minsan may lumalabas na na 4 clicks na hindi ko gusto. So kasi walang gitna. So meron siyang fade blade. Ayan. Ito mga kuys, yung fade blade niya. So napakalalim ng kanyang mga ngipin. So kung oobserbahan nyo, malalaki yung ngipin niya, yung puwang ng ngipin niya. So talagang mag-feed siya kahit sa bulk ng buhok. Pero meron siyang silver cutter blade na shallow tooth. Ayan. So kung makita nyo, let's focus this. This is a shallow tooth titanium cutter blade. So sobrang nipis niya. So ang maganda kasi dito, this clipper was equipped with DLC blade. This is a DLC blade from Kiepe Professional. So Kiepe Professional is an Italian brand again. You have the certifications here at the back, the description or whatever, the Kiepe branding. And dito sa baba is yung charging port niya. So you have a very standard charging port like every Kiepe clippers. Of course, yung mga all the chargers from Gamma, Stylecraft, and Monster will fit on this clipper. So of course, Gamma has released the Golden Gun clipper. So but Kiepe has the Top Gun. This is it has only one color actually. There is no option. So you cannot change the cover of this clipper. There's no accessories included. But let me show you first the switch of this clipper. So you're going to press here. So again, this is a magnetic clipper. This is a very powerful clipper, Maybe you're hearing louder than I'm hearing here because I'm using my mobile phone or my iPhone while recording this video. But this is a very quiet. And this is powerful. So of course, this is very awkward holding like this because you don't have control using this. I know 360 GC or everyone from US is making or has made an what do you call that? A clipper challenge, haircut challenge using the Golden Gun, but you have to hold it like a gun. I mean, you need to hold the clipper like this. I know this is very hard. I try this.
Fingers from.
Hirap. It's very hard. So you don't have really control when you're using this with this grip, But instead, you can hold like this. So I tried this at the back, At first, it was, what kind of design is that? How can you do a neck taper using this clipper? Because, it might, parang sabi, paano gagamitin neck taper? Kasi, dahil dito, baka dumikit, sumabit. So, pero hindi siya tumatama. So, hindi siya nakakasagabal. So So, parang talagang ano yan. Pwede mo gamitin na pang araw-araw. Pero mostly, nagsasabi, this is collectible items or collection items. Parang hindi, bakit mo yung gagawin ano? Pwedeng pan-display, pero syempre kung napapakinabangan mo, you can use this clipper, no? Ang lakas. No, tingnan natin kung ano. Ito yung box niya, napaka-simple. Hindi siya mukhang mamahalin. So, yung ano niya, yung box niya is just a normal paper or box. So, it has a 10,000 RPM, a Pro lithium-ion battery with 2,200 milliamp hour battery. So, charging time niya is 70 minutes. Working time niya is 120 minutes. So, mas matagal, matipid yung matipid yung This is an eco trimmer, eco clipper, no? So, ito yung pag binuksan nyo, meron pa siyang isa pang cover. Then, meron siyang charging stand. Okay? Charging stand. Okay, yung mga documents niya. And let's check the accessory of this. So, you have single magnetic guide combs, which I'm not using. So, this is the power adapter. This is a European plug. Okay, and this is a 2 ampere charger. So, medyo mabilis, yeah. Oiling brush is also included. And this is the charging stand of this clipper. So, you can put your clipper here and charge it every time or every after using your clipper. So, let's check this. This is the charging stand. So, of course, you need to plug your charger here at the back. It has no USB charging function. Then you're just going to put your clipper on this charging stand. So ang ganda, para talaga siyang baril yung kanyang pati yung stand niya. So pwede mo actually siyang i-display. So parang unang tingin talaga makita mo baril eh. Pero maganda. So meron pa siyang isang accessories na kasama pag binili nyo. So, ito yung Top Gun belt. Talagang itinodo na nila yan. Kailangan ba talaga to? So, ito yung Top Gun belt. Meron siyang lalagyan. Lalagyan ng Kiepe. Parang baril talaga eh. So, parang isusuot mo to, lalagyan mo. Parang pulis eh. So, hindi ko nabubuksan to kasi may belt ako eh. So, lalagay mo lang siya. Okay. So, try natin. So, pasensya na kayo sa upuan ko. Sira na eh. Luma na yan eh. So, okay. And, pakita natin. Wild Wild West. So, pwede nyo salpak dyan. Oh. ¡Cam! Va. 1, 2, 3. ¡Pam, pam, 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 pam! Alokohan to eh. Pero malakas. Sinubukan ko. Nasubukan ko na 2 beses. 2 beses ko na sinubukan. Malakas. Yung pa lang eh. Siguro kung yung blade nito is katulad ng sa Monster Hybrid, mas panalo talaga to. Pero, sinasabi ko malakas. Devolking, walang problema. Actually, sa fading, kasi nga ito yung fade blade niya. Ayan. So, fade blade, napakanipis. So, tsaka kaya mong i-zero gap yan as close as you want, you know. Then, so, walang problema sa sa pagtanggal ng mga guidelines, lalo na kapag ginamitan nyo ng trimmer. So, di ba minsan gumagawa tayo ng trimmer, guideline yung una. So, hindi niya, kayang-kaya niya alisin yung linya. So, hindi siya problema mga boys. So, ito pa yung isang example ng magnetic clipper. So, kung makita nyo, pareha sila ng motor, yung itsura. So, ito yung sound test ng Monster Clipper. Ito yung, yung Kiepe. Alam nyo, mas malakas yung pakiramdam pa dito eh. Pero maganda talaga yung blade nung ano kasi deep tooth yung ano. Deep tooth tsaka double DLC yung ano niya, yung blade ng Monster. So, kung gusto niyo ng Monster Clipper, available yan sa Pilipinas kay AJ Pasky ng Barbershop Online Store. Ayan, or Barbershop Online Store ng Boss. Matatagpuan niya. Search niyo lang sa Shopee, Monster Clippers. Pero wag kayong mag-ano kasi meron sa lumalabas sa Shopee na Monster. Sobrang mura. Wag kayong magpapadala doon dahil scam yon. Kay AJ lang. Si AJ lang po ang ating ano, ang ating Monster Clipper reseller. Siya lang po nag-iisa. At ano yun, so siya lang po yung, kung makita nyo, merong website ang Monster Clippers, so nandun lahat yung mga legit na distributor ng Monster worldwide. So makikita nyo dun yung boss or yung barber online store. Nandun po siya, accredited siya. Kaya huwag kayong magpapaniwala sa mga mura dahil lahat ng mura ay mapapamura ka. Ayan. So panoorin natin yung ano, yung gupit nito mga boys.
Also jetzt hier oder wie? Aber ganz normale Arbeitszeiten, oder?
Ja,
ganz normal.
ganz normal.
So, okay.
So yun na nga mga boys, ito na yung, ano, yung unboxing natin. Ito na yung Kiepe Top Gun. So napaka-solid. So kung gusto nyo, alam ko wala pang Kiepe dyan. Pero sayang kasi. Sayang. Ang dami na sana natin yung bentang Kiepe. Alam nyo, mas una kong pinromote yung Kiepe. So meron tayong kausap dati, taga Pilipinas. Nagkaroon sila ng sample ng Kiepe. Ayan. Pero wala. Sayang yung pagkakataon. Ang daming mga solid na na clipper ng Kiepe. Naunahan pa sila ng Monster. Kasi ako po yung yung naging daan para magkaroon ng Monster sa Pilipinas. So inalok ko yung mga kaibigan nating mga seller. Bro, subukan mo to. Subukan nyo yung mga gamit ko. Sigurado hindi kayo mapapaya. Ayun, yung Monster. Sikat na sa Pilipinas mga boys. Pero yung Kiepe, sayang. So again, muli, this is my unboxing of this Top Gun. So I'll be posting more videos on this Top Gun clipper. I'll be using this when, of course, kung may dumating na client. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo, hindi tayo barbero. I mean, gumugupit tayo pero hindi barbero trabaho natin. Kusinero tayo mga boys. So, kaya pag may mga clients, subukan natin to. So again, thank you for watching and don't forget to follow my page, Sampits Vlogs sa Facebook. So, meron po tayong Facebook page. Ito po ay meron ng 2,000 followers. Sana yung mga 9,000 or yung 10,000 subscriber ko sa YouTube, please search Sampits Vlogs sa Facebook and click follow. Pwede nyo i-like pero yung follow, i-click nyo na rin po para mas okay. So again, thank you for watching Sampits the Hobby Barber or Sampits. Pinalitan ko na, inalis ko na yung Hobby Barber eh. Sampits Vlogs. Signing out. God bless.